You can clean your room, buy new decor, rearrange the furniture, and still feel like something is missing. Most of the time, it is not the furniture, it is the wall. A blank wall can make the entire room feel cold, empty, or unfinished. But the good news is, you do not need a full renovation to fix that. Sometimes all it takes is paint. The right wall painting design can add personality, depth, and style, and make a room feel far more expensive than it really is. But here's the crazy part. Some of the simplest paint ideas can make your room look like it was designed by a pro, and a few bad choices can make it look worse instantly. So stay with me, because the next chapters could save you money, time, and a wall you'll regret. If this video gives you ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a room makeover. And before we continue, tell me, what city are you watching from? Drop it in the comments below. Let's start with one of the easiest ideas, the painted arch. This design works because it instantly creates a focal point. Place it behind a bed, sofa, desk, or reading chair, and the furniture suddenly looks framed and intentional. A soft arch can make the room feel calmer and more elegant, while a bold color can make it feel modern and playful. It is one of the simplest ways to upgrade a wall without making the room feel crowded. Another timeless option is the half-painted wall, also called a color block wall. The lower half of the wall is painted in one color, while the upper half stays lighter. This design looks clean, structured, and stylish. Darker tones on the bottom help ground the room, while lighter tones above keep it bright and airy. It works beautifully in bedrooms, hallways, dining rooms, and even small apartments because it adds interest without making the space look busy. If you want something modern and creative, geometric wall painting is a great choice. Using painter's tape, you can create rectangles, triangles, diagonal sections, or large blocks of color. The key is to keep the shapes clean and intentional. A few larger shapes usually look more polished than many small ones. This style is perfect for home offices, living rooms, and bedrooms, where you want the wall to feel artistic but still structured. Diagonal paint designs are another strong option if you want energy in a room. A diagonal split immediately adds movement and makes the wall look less predictable. You can divide the wall into two colors or use the diagonal line to frame a shelf, bed, or desk area. This design works especially well in creative spaces, teen bedrooms, or modern apartments. It feels bold without being too complicated, and it can completely change the mood of a room. Stripes are simple, but they can be very powerful. Vertical stripes make a room feel taller, while horizontal stripes can make it feel wider. Thin stripes feel classic and elegant, while thick stripes feel bold and modern. Even a single stripe from floor to ceiling can make a wall feel more intentional. Neutral stripes create a designer look, while brighter colors feel more playful. This is one of the easiest ways to change the proportions of a room visually. For a softer and more playful look, scallops or repeating half circles can work beautifully. These patterns add rhythm and charm to a wall and are especially popular in kids' rooms, nurseries, and creative spaces. But when painted in muted tones like sage, beige, or dusty pink, they can also look surprisingly modern. The shape feels friendly and handcrafted, and it brings a sense of movement without looking too loud or chaotic. If you want a more artistic wall, Abstract murals are a great option. The best part is that they do not need to be detailed or perfect. Organic shapes, loose curves, overlapping forms, and simple brush strokes can look incredibly stylish when the colors are chosen carefully. The secret is balance. Use a limited palette, give the wall enough breathing space, and let the design feel natural. A good abstract wall can turn a plain room into something memorable. For a calm and dreamy atmosphere, an ombre wall is a beautiful idea. This style blends one color into another, usually from dark to light. The effect feels soft, relaxing, and very elegant, especially in bedrooms. A blue ombre wall can feel airy and peaceful, while terracotta fading into cream feels warmer and cozier. It takes a bit more effort than simple color blocking, but the result can feel custom and high-end, especially with soft lighting. Nature-inspired designs can also transform a room. Botanical silhouettes, painted leaves, branches, or soft plant forms can add elegance without overwhelming the space. These designs do not need to be detailed to look beautiful. Even simple, shadow-like shapes can create a calm, natural atmosphere. This style works especially well in bedrooms and living rooms, where you want the space to feel restful, grounded, and connected to natural textures like wood, linen, and warm light. For a more luxurious look, textured paint effects are worth considering. Lime wash style finishes, cloud effects, and concrete-inspired walls add movement and depth rather than strong patterns. These designs can make a wall feel rich, mature, and expensive. They look especially beautiful in living rooms and bedrooms because they respond well to light, creating subtle variations across the surface. If you want a room to feel elegant and understated, texture can be more powerful than bold shapes. At the end of the day, wall painting is not just about color, it is about creating atmosphere. A wall can make a room feel calm, bold, cozy, playful, modern, or luxurious. The best design is the one that matches the mood you want in the space. So before buying more decor or changing the furniture, look at your walls first. Sometimes the transformation your room needs is already right in front of you, just waiting for the right paint design.